Hey space enthusiasts, buckle up, because today we're talking about the recent Falcon Heavy launch that carried the groundbreaking GOES-U weather satellite into orbit. This launch is a game-changer for weather forecasting and space science. So let's dive into the details. On June 25th, a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket blasted off from Kennedy Space Center's Launch Complex 39A at 5:26 p.m. Eastern. Despite forecasts predicting only a 30% chance of acceptable weather, the launch directors found a favorable window, and the rocket lifted off smoothly. The payload, the GOES-U weather satellite, is set to deploy from Falcon Heavy's second stage about 4.5 hours after liftoff. This deployment involves a series of 3 burns to place the satellite into a geostationary transfer orbit. GOES-U is the 4th and final satellite in the Geostationary Operational Environmental Satellite (GOES-R) series, built by Lockheed Martin for the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA). Once in geostationary orbit, it will be renamed GOES-19 and will take over as the operational GOES East satellite at 75 degrees east. This satellite is packed with advanced Earth and space science instruments, including the new Compact Coronagraph, CCOR, for observing the Sun. CCOR will monitor solar flares and coronal mass ejections, taking over from the nearly 30-year-old Solar and Heliospheric Observatory spacecraft. Meteorologists are thrilled with the GOES-R series, which has significantly improved weather forecasting. Ken Graham, director of the National Weather Service, praised the satellites as game-changers, enabling new and improved forecasts, warnings, and services that save lives and protect property. One of the standout features of the GOES-R series is the Lightning Mapper. Pam Sullivan, director of the GOES-R program at NOAA, explained that this tool helps meteorologists better understand storm severity and issue more accurate warnings. Forecasters have more confidence in their predictions thanks to this data. Looking ahead, NOAA is already working on the next generation of geostationary weather satellites, called GeoXO, set to launch in 2032. These satellites promise to be even more sophisticated and impactful, bridging today's technology with the advancements of tomorrow. This launch also marked a first for NOAA, launching a GOES weather satellite on a SpaceX rocket. The 3 previous GOES-R satellites all launched on Atlas V rockets from United Launch Alliance, ULA. However, NASA awarded SpaceX a $152.5 million contract for the Falcon Heavy launch of GOES-U in September 2021, after ULA withdrew its bid due to a lack of available Atlas rockets. Using the Falcon Heavy provides significant advantages, including additional performance that reduces the spacecraft's required change in velocity, or delta V, to reach its final orbit. Juliana Scheiman, director of NASA science missions at SpaceX, noted that this reduction in delta V means less energy is needed for the spacecraft, saving propellant and extending its operational life. With this added capability, NOAA expects GOES-U to have a fuel life of over 20 years, compared to the design specification of 15 years. This launch was the 10th for Falcon Heavy overall, and the second contracted by NASA, following the Psyche asteroid mission in October 2023. Another Falcon Heavy is scheduled to launch the Europa Clipper mission for NASA this October. That's all for today, folks. This mission marks another exciting milestone in space exploration and weather forecasting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting space updates. Stay curious and keep looking up.